Do you want to greet people inside like a native? In this lesson, I will teach you step by step from basic to advanced greetings. Karibu, my name is Lydia and I teach Swahili for beginners. Let us start learning together. Let us begin with simple greetings. We have hello, in Swahili is jambo. How are you? In Swahili we say habari. Another way to ask how are you is hujambo. So hujambo, if someone asks you hujambo, you reply sijambo, meaning I'm fine. So when you use sijambo, it is singular. You can also say nzuri, which means I'm good. And if you are getting men people, you say hamjambo, and they reply hatujambo, which means we are fine. And also let us learn greetings based on time. So we have greetings on the morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So let's dive into those greetings based on time. So good morning in Swahili we say habari ya asubuhi. Then in the afternoon we say habari za mchana. In the evening we say good evening, that is habari za jioni. And good night we say usiku mwema. Also, we have in Swahili culture whereby we show respect to elderly people, whereby the young people, when greeting the elderly people, they show respect. For example, we use shikamoo. So the elderly replies marhaba. Also, let us learn casual greetings, which you can use with friends. For example, you are passing through the streets. You may find, we call them in Swahili slang. So the first one is mambo, which means what is up. Then the response is poa, which means cool. You can also say vipi, meaning how are the things, and the reply is safi, meaning good. Now let us practice together. Habari, nzuri, hujambo, sijambo, mambo, poa, vipi, poa, habari ya asubuhi, habari ya jioni, na habari ya mchana. Shikamoo, marahaba. Now it's your turn. Write habari in the comments if you understand. If you want to speak Swahili fluently, I have a full beginner course. Check the link in the description to join, and don't forget to subscribe for more Swahili lessons every week. Bye. Kwaheri.